Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. In today's video we have Toby. Hello Toby. And me. Now I told you guys that every time that I get a new tool for the shop I will show it to you guys. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing this Avenger tank top propane heater. Now I already have a propane heater and it's that one up there. Now I wasn't in the shop that many times this winter, so I didn't really get to use it that much. My job decided to get another propane heater and they were gonna throw this one out, but my manager, and shout out to you Alex if you're watching this, I appreciate you giving this to me. But as you guys can see, he wrote on here, can take if anyone wants. I went ahead and crossed that off with an X and then wrote Javi's on here, and then this is what they were gonna throw away. This is how the box looks, this is how it comes. But this thing honestly looks so dope. Now I have my propane tank right here. I'm about to connect this bad boy and try it out. Alright, now this is how the thing comes and looks. I think you can actually have one of them on at a time. You don't need to have both, but let's check it out and find out. I dropped the screw. And then I want it to be away from the propane. I had an issue with my door and my dogs ended up coming in here and did their business, so I'm gonna clean it up, but I want to stay warm while I'm in here. This heated jacket, even though it's keeping me warm, it's not doing the job. And I'm also curious to see if it actually works.
Are you supposed to do it with the lighter like that? I have my longer one. Oh.
Nice. Oh look, that's me cranking the heater up.
That's crazy.
For free?
Yeah.
It has 3 settings in the back. They're right here. You have low, medium. Get out of the door.
I'm gonna turn this off. Is that cool with you?
Yeah, he burned his nose.
I swear.
He did.
I'm gonna turn this off. How do I turn it off?
Turn it all the way to the
right or left?
To the, yeah, to one side.
What side?
Yeah, like that.
Alright.
Alright, now the thing works as you guys saw. Wouldn't recommend keeping it around your pet because they'll try and smell it. With that being said, I am gonna link this down below. I'm gonna try and look for it on Amazon and link it down below for you guys. But honestly, I'm very happy that I have this. This is a dual setup, so we can honestly just run one side instead of having both of them on. But
like if I'm sitting over there and you're sitting here and I'm cold, I can have it on.
Yeah, there you go. You heard her. And oh boy, this thing is brand spanking new. Literally hasn't even been used that long, and you can tell just by looking at it. But this is Javi from Javi's Productions. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my friends.